What if I told you that retiring early isn't just for millionaires? You don't need a massive inheritance or a six-figure salary, just a solid plan and smart investments. If you can build a portfolio that pays you $5,000 per month in passive income, you could quit your job and live life on your terms.
And the best part?
It's completely achievable with the right strategy. First, let's figure out how much money you actually need to retire early. To make $5,000 a month, or $60,000 a year, you need a portfolio that can generate that income passively. The 4% rule is a simple way to estimate this. It suggests that you can safely withdraw 4% of your investment portfolio each year without running out of money. Based on this, you would need around $1.5 million invested to withdraw $60,000 per year. If you can live on less, say $48,000 per year, you'd only need $1.2 million. That might sound like a big number, but if you start now, it's more achievable than you think. Now, let's talk about the best investment strategies to reach that $1.5 million goal. First, dividend stocks. These stocks pay you cash regularly, just for holding them. If you invest in high-yield dividend stocks, you can generate steady income without selling shares. For example, a $1.5 million portfolio with a 4% dividend yield would pay you $5,000 per month in passive income. Some solid dividend stocks include Coca-Cola, Realty Income, and Altria Group. Another great option is ETFs and index funds. If you prefer a low-maintenance way to invest, index funds like Vanguard's VOO, which tracks the S&P 500, are an excellent choice. Historically, the S&P 500 has returned about 8–10% annually. If you invest consistently, your money grows exponentially. For example, if you invest just $1,500 per month in an S&P 500 ETF for 20 years, you could end up with over $1.5 million. Real estate is another powerful tool for generating passive income. If you own 3 rental properties, each bringing in $1,700 per month, that's already over $5,000 in rental income after expenses.
The best part?
Your tenants are paying off your mortgage while you build wealth. If managing properties isn't for you, you can invest in REITs, real estate investment trusts, which let you earn passive income from real estate without owning physical property. Some solid REITs include Realty Income and the Vanguard Real Estate ETF. So, how do you reach $1.5 million faster? The first step is to increase your income. The more money you can invest, the faster you will hit your goal. Consider picking up a side hustle, freelancing, or even launching a small business. Next, cut unnecessary expenses. The less you spend, the more you can invest. Focus on cutting high-impact expenses like housing and transportation rather than skipping your daily coffee. Also, max out your retirement accounts. 401ks and IRAs give you huge tax benefits that help your money grow faster. And finally, automate your investments. Set up automatic transfers into your brokerage account so you never miss an opportunity to grow your wealth. The key takeaway? The sooner you start, the easier it is. If you wait 10 years, you'll have to invest much more to reach your goal. But if you start now, early retirement is within reach. So, are you ready to start building your passive income stream? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial freedom tips.